Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be playing Dungeon Dogs. It's a brand new game that I got. I hope the sound's all the way down there. Okay, now it is. So now we're going to play a game. So I play this game a lot, especially if I bring my iPad when we're waiting for ages or something like that. And sorry if I breathe into the mic. I always think the mic's way too close to my face. I'll pull it back a bit. There. Okay. Collect it. Oh, on day 28, I get a little unicorn girl. I've got him. Okay. Oh, 200 little twigs. So I upgraded Dia. I think she's a 9-tail. She got a second tail. Oh, the quest board's ready. This is where you can train your heroes. Yes, he's level 5. It means it's a chat. Hey Lyra, wanna hang out? We could give it a go and with creating the statue of yours. Sorry, Lan, I have some urgent matters to attend to. Oh, is everything alright? Do you need help? I'm fine, thank you. I'll be back in a couple of days. Oh, okay. Don't worry, I'll be back in time for Valentine's. Okay, I'll patiently await your return then. Here, alone. Well, basically you're not alone because you've got Poppy, but whatever. See, that's not Poppy. That's Poppy. Hold on, where's Yang? Or whatever his name is. So I evolved him just yesterday. He doesn't change. So I evolved him just yesterday to finally get his wings because I got 10 of those moon embers. And I've got 30 out of 40 heroes. Okay, so basically this video is just going to be a whole heap of quests. So this is the main story and I've been waiting forever to level up Ben to be able to do this. Forever. Come here, Lyra, I'll guide you. This is a completely different story to the Valentine's one, which is that pink one back there. I know how to walk, Ken. I'm not a puppy. You are. You rely on your magic too much. Come on, grab my paw. Can we just go? I thought you were in a hurry. We have time for this. Come on now. This is so stupid. Okay, now I'm going to go into battle. And sorry if the video cuts off at any time. My storage space ain't that good. Yes. Okay, now I have full yellow bar up the top. Now, I don't think I've ever done a video on this, actually. Yeah, I don't think I've ever done a video on Dungeon Dogs. It's a really fun game. Oops. Didn't get it in time. Down the bottom, when you click on them, you can use their special abilities. And you also have to tap on the monster to help. Forgot he did that. Then that's the camp. Here, the black dog over there. Ben. Sorry if I don't talk during this. I'm just trying to tap as fast as I can to kill the monster. Because as the faster you tap, the faster it dies. The faster it dies, the more rewards you get. Sorry, my voice is croaky. No, I'm out of energy. I don't want to use my potions because I got them ages ago. I don't think you can get them anymore. Should I just wait for my energy to come back? Keep fighting, come on, he's almost dead. Yes, Lyra, use your magic paw. I actually don't think I have any level 6 heroes. I'm not sure if the next quest needs level 6 or not. Okay. Poppy, what are you doing over there? Oh, money. Okay. Oh, Lyra went up to level 6. I didn't even realize. You think you can cut, trip, and bruise me, Forest? Well, think again. What are you doing? You can't just tear up the ground like that. Can, I just did. That's not even the right way. Oh. Forest dance. Oh, no. Looks like I gotta level everyone up because I legitimately have nobody who is good enough for this one. Yeah, no one. So I need to level up Ken and Ben. This one's for Ben. This one for Ken. Ken doesn't have one. What about this? Stu Cordell. So this is the Valentine's talking. The stand should be around here somewhere. There it is. Huh? The sign's changed. It's all sold out. What do I do now? Wait, the sign is changing again. Never underestimate my brilliant sales tactics. What sort of magic is this? Who's controlling it? Hey, pause with the merchandise. No picking up the sign. So it can see me as well. This just got a lot more interesting. Hey. That's one angry sign. Okay, Town Island's almost done. Very weird sign is nowhere near done. I've got barely any energy to go into battle. Sorry if my voice sounds croaky, I just woke up. Add. I hate these ads. Okay. After these next quests, I'll end the video. So Yang and Ram for that one. Then for Watchtower, let's do Silas. Then for Greenfields, let's do Poof. That Poof is Poppy's sister. Okay, after they're all done, then we'll end the video. Let's have a look in here while we wait. So, Ken, Poppy, Poof, Rex, I named him Knight, Fendo, Donna, Mariam. I have no idea. My stores. No. Quests are done. So we're gonna go to the quests. Okay, Royal Clash is done. These are just training quests. So they're done in my training area. Oh, we got yarn from that. Okay. Now we'll do one more, which is Mineral Mine, and then I'll end the video. Let's do Umi. Sand. And poof. Okay, once Mineral Mine is done, then I'll end the video. I love Poppy. She's like, if something is troubling you, chop it down. Ooh. Oh, premium hero. I feel like buying that one at the bottom. I have nowhere near enough. Captain gear. I don't really put that much gear on my captain. Event hero eggs. Oh, I'm gonna craft the rainbow. Okay, I have barely enough. Ow, my screen's hot. Okay. Let's have a look at all of my dogs in the dungeon, apparently. Okay, so we got to Myram. Now it's Raymew. Toto. Bun Bun. I got that off of the calendar. Pepper. I haven't leveled him up yet. He's meant to have a pizza in his mouth. Leah. Ben. What? His trait is steadfast. 15% great success chance if quest duration is longer than 30 minutes. Buttercup. Oh, did I level up again? Because I didn't think that I leveled her up 3 times. Lara. Yeah, she's meant to have a witch's hat. No clue, no clue, no clue, no clue, no clue. Oh, wait. Hold on a minute. That one's one of the premium ones. Ghost. Donate. I leveled him up just yesterday. No clue, no clue. Exton, I got him off of the calendar. No clue. Kilo. No clue. No clue, no clue, no clue, no clue, no clue, no clue, no. Oh, that's... I forgot his name. His name is not Billy because I renamed him. Because I hate the name Billy. That's Rita, aka Foxy. That's San. Silas. Oh wait. I named him Fire Devil. Gloria. I got her off of... No, I got her for the summer update. Oops. Yang. I leveled him up just yesterday to have his wings. That's Dia. She's meant to be a Ninetales. Rue. Oh, wait. Bella. I love Bella's little cow. Oh, you can get these yellow eggs. this one's a party one. These ones are the Valentine's Day ones. Oh, that's the Lunar New Year one. Those are the summer ones, the Halloween ones, more summer ones, event ones, Halloween ones again, Christmas ones, then just the basic mythic. Okay, now we're going to go and see if the quests are finished and my storage space is running out. Okay, quest is finished. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!